Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how I made 300 YouTube Shorts in 30 minutes for a Faceless YouTube channel. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So to start making 300 YouTube short videos, let's go to ChatGPT. Let us first create the text or the script. We are now on ChatGPT. Let's try to ask ChatGPT first. Hi, how are you? Then it will instantly reply. After that, we can now continue asking ChatGPT. Type on, let's start. Let's instruct ChatGPT to do something with us. Let's try to say, I want you to come up with some quotes in the following style. I'm going to teach you. Then, you can specifically instruct ChatGPT on what it is going to do. For example, the codes need to be made out of two parts. The first part is a part where I want to make people intrigued to know the second part. We can also give example to ChatGPT. And here are two examples. Example 1, first part, if you really love her. Then the second part, you will chase her. Now, let's move on to example 2. First part, when you are in love. Second part, you'll always feel happy. And that example is enough. If you understand, say yes. Then ChatGPT say yes. So we can go ahead and ask ChatGPT to give an example. Could you give me an example of a quote? Here's the example. In the depths of darkness lie the secrets of untapped potential. ChatGPT exactly gives the example of a quote in the style that we described. Now, let's give commendations to ChatGPT. Then, I want the quotes about love, heartbreaks, and friendship. The target audience are people in their 20s. Could you give me example for the theme heartbreaks, the theme love, and the theme friendship? Then hit send. And here you can see the three samples, one about heartbreaks, one about love, and one about friendship. I hope you find these examples fitting for your target audience. Let me know if you would like more quotes or if there's anything else I can assist you with. Let's say that's good. Then, let's continue making our script with ChatGPT. I now want you to categorize them in Excel style as following. Under theme, you can choose between heartbreaks, love, and friendship. First part, here you can place the first part of the quote. Second part, here you place the second part of the quote. And here are the categorization of the quotes in an Excel style format. It is on table style, one for heartbreaks, one for love, and one for friendship. And it's perfect. Now, I want you to write 100 different quotes about love, heartbreaks, and friendship in the same style. And here, ChatGPT gives us intrigued quotes, but it is not on Excel style. So let's try to type on, please make them in an Excel format. And we can see now our table here. There are about heartbreaks, love, and friendship. Type on, please continue if you want more. It will continue to give you quotes. Then, type on, please continue again. And there it will continue. You can keep on sending please continue until you reach your goal. You can also ask ChatGPT, how many quotes are this now? We have 120 quotes now. Let's keep on saying continue until we reach 300. Then, copy the text and go to Google Sheets. Here, you can paste the text or the script. And there we have the script. You can edit that a little bit on how you want it to appear on your videos. After that, click on Save. Rename the file. Let's say quotes. And change the format into CSV. And hit Save. Now, let's go to Canva to make our videos. You can see the different templates available here, but you can search for YouTube Shorts. Let us choose a template here that fits on our quotes. Let's choose this one. We only need one clip, so let's choose this one. Let's delete the other one, this one, and this one. Then, click on plus sign here below. Search for apps below. Click on that. And here, you can see this bulk create. And you can tap on that. Add your data. Upload data as a CSV file or enter a table of data manually to quickly bulk create hundreds of pages. Now you can enter data manually or click on Upload CSV. Let's upload the CSV file that we have earlier. Click on Quotes. And you can now connect data to your elements. If you click one out of these three data fields identified, it will automatically put on your video. You can generate these 300 quotes here into videos. And there you can create 300 YouTube short videos in Canva. But please be reminded that bulk create is only available in Canva Pro. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.